Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make pesto genovese. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1/4 cup of pine nuts. Also, have 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and 1/2 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil. Don't forget a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. These simple components create an amazing flavor. Now, let's start blending. Place your fresh basil leaves, peeled garlic cloves, and lightly toasted pine nuts into a food processor. Pulse these ingredients a few times until they are finely chopped and well combined. Next, add the grated Parmesan cheese to the mixture. Pulse briefly again to incorporate it. With the processor running, slowly drizzle in the 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil until the pesto is smooth and creamy. Once your pesto reaches a smooth consistency, it's time to season it. Add a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper, then pulse once more to mix. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. If you prefer a thinner pesto, you can add a little more olive oil. This delicious sauce is perfect with pasta, spread on bruschetta, or as a dip. Enjoy your homemade pesto genovese. Here are a few extra tips for perfect pesto. Always use the freshest, highest quality ingredients you can find. It truly makes a difference. Lightly toasting your pine nuts before adding them will bring out a deeper, nuttier flavor. Be careful not to overprocess the basil, as this can sometimes make your pesto taste bitter. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.